I don't drink water, guys. The next day, today, and we are going to the majayjay Falls. So let's find out where we can find the right bus or counter. We don't know, or I don't know, but I think Sam also don't know. Really? Terminal entrance 2. Let's see. Security as always in the Philippines. So let's go. What's the time now? 12. Here. We want to go to Santa Cruz Laguna.
The next trip is 2 p.m.
2 p.m. is the next trip.
Okay, we have to wait 2 hours.
Exactly.
Because it was 12. The other one left at 12 noon. This is 6 minutes ago. Damn. How much?
Santa Cruz Laguna.
Yeah.
Yeah.
212 for 2 person.
Yeah.
We will pay on the bus.
And do you know how long is the trip?
1 to 2 hours maybe.
Again?
1 to 2 hours.
Okay. Thank you so much. Bye bye. We have to wait 2 hours. We missed the bus.
What is
6 minutes.
1:30 is boarding time,
Yeah.
and then 2 o'clock is the departure.
So we will arrive in the evening. Yeah, here we are. Let's go a little bit behind. Vlog. Manila. Sam. I want to touch your nose.
What's about the moments?
Cute.
We are going to Laguna, and then our first stop is in Santa Cruz. So just for you to know, guys, we go on the FITEX terminal here in Parañaque, and then you need to ride bus going to Santa Cruz. And our next stop is on our Airbnb in Liliw.
There's a mountain, look there.
Ah, yeah. Oh, nice.
Yeah, we're going towards the mountain, 70 kilometers inland. Yeah, and it's nice because it's a super wild nature here.
It looks like I'm going to somewhere. We are already carrying a lot.
Yes.
And then
Yeah, your things. She needed to bring her, what is it called? I will tell it later on the video mal. Don't worry. I will mention it.
Okay. It's so bumpy.
Okay, see you in the Airbnb. Yeah, guys, we arrived in Liliw, and this is our view. It's so nice. There's a big rain, but it is leaving our side. Then there's a mountain. There's a mountain, and this is the room. I wanted to show the room because we just like 2 minutes ago we arrived. So this is a room, this is a bed. It's nice. Simple but enough. But we have a aircon. That's important. And now we go to the city and having some dinner in a restaurant, yeah? Because we cannot cook here.
So, what are you investigating?
Everything.
We have a cute toilet. I like it.
Yeah, the bathroom.
I like it.
This is the bathroom. Also nice. With a tabo, a bum garden, and hot shower. So price is, what was that price?
23.
20 euros. We see you in the downtown. Yeah, now we are downtown.
Yeah.
After we checked in, and we want to investigate a little bit this small town.
Yes.
And what we found, or Sam found, is this nice thing, a beetle nut. A fresh beetle nut. I'm happy about this.
It's another variety of beetle nut for you to know.
Ah, okay. We found the main nice big church here. This is the gate entrance. Wow. Okay, some information about this church. It is built in 1605 and was partly damaged in 1880, and then they rebuilt something. Yeah, but look nice how old this looks with all the plants. Amazing. 400 years old church we found. Interesting. Yeah, we found our perfect meal for this night after the long trip. Pizza overloaded and calzone. So I think Michele Ponte would not accept that as a very good Italian pizza, but anyway, we are hungry and it's okay. So we enjoy this nice food here. And see you tomorrow on the surprise adventure. And now we need to find a tricycle before we need to get money and water. And Sam is looking today very beautiful. Hey bro, let's go to the Mahai Falls. This is the plan. With drone and having there a bus and whatever. Let's go. I think we need to go there. Hello. Do you make this for yourself? It's handmade? Really? Nice. This handmade? As you can see, guys, they have a lot of shoes here. Oh, this is nice. Okay, we will get the money now. Okay, we got the money from the ATM and some drinks, and now we need to find a tricycle that brings us there. I think it's 20 kilometers. Yeah. Nimm mal rein.
Yung malapit lang po doon. 100 going to Mahayhay.
Oh, that's good price.
Pero mas maganda rin sa ganun. Yung pinapupunta
Saan po?
You remember there's a church again from yesterday evening, and this is a tricycle station here.
Yeah. Let's go.
Yeah. 20 kilometers right or 15 kilometers right with this one. See you on the right. Because they negotiate, or she's asking for information. this tricycle. Transportation. Interesting. Yeah, we arrived here at the falls, and good that you have a, like, I would not say tour guide, but someone who knows how to go, because it's not so easy. Yeah, and there we have some vendors, and here's already the entrance. We paid 50 pesos for some fee, and now this is the way to the falls. Slide. Oha! Yeah, here.
You need to go immediately because this can be.
Kuya, you want to be in the video? What's your
Gusto
name?
mo daw sa ano, sa vlog.
What's your name?
Kasi bago ka
Roman.
Roman. Henning.
Roman. Remoto.
look, I can see already the water.
Roman.
You can do it later. You can
Yeah.
do it.
And they rent a tent, maybe?
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about.
Yeah, but we don't need. For what reason, you know? For a boom boom.
No?
Here? No. There.
Okay. He said it's allowed to drink this here.
Ah, really?
Yeah.
This is from the mountain?
They make a hole so that you can get... Be careful!
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Ah, cool.
But it's not good,
Yeah.
kuya. Tinatapunan nila ng basura.
No, it's okay. Amazing. Good that I bring my 50-50 water walking blah shoes. Oh, wow. You like it?
Yeah, I think the water is so cold.
Yeah, nice. Refreshing. Now the sun is out. But only for a short period of time because it's cloud. already the end because we forgot the spare batteries. The spare batteries. That's stupid. But anyway, now you can see it. It's cold.
The water is really freezing. It's like the freeze from the freeze.
So, the guys here invited me for drinking a shot because Filipinos are friendly.
Where you from? What's your name? Where you from?
Germany. Football number one. Yeah? Football number one, Germany.
Football number one. Argentina. Okay, take a shot, sir.
Sir, this gin made from the Philippines, coconut gin.
What? This? What is for me? This one?
This one. That's water. Water, sir. This is
I don't drink water, guys.
gin, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Taytay.
How's it taste?
It's good. Philippine gin, yeah? Filipino gin, yeah. Best gin. Good, very good.
Take a sisig.
The Philippines, what?
What's that?
It's a pork. Sisig. Pork sisig.
From the Philippines.
Can you hold?
Okay, sir.
Ano, preference, sibuyas, onion.
With an onion, sir. How's it taste, sir?
Oh, nice. After the waterfalls today, majayjay or Taytay Falls, but the actual name also was Taytay Falls. We're enjoying here. It looks like a lot of drinks. And we're having the famous halo halo, some French fries, easy going, honey lemon, yeah, original like fresh lemon with honey and ice americano. I wanted to have a coffee. Yeah, and I think this is the end of that Taytay Falls, and we are thinking about to extend one day here because we like it here so much. Yeah, and then I would say see you in the next video. Don't forget to comment and give a like. Yeah, a thumbs up is good for us. And see you in the next one. Bye bye. Bye.